Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage. Welcome back to yet another video. And so, as you see, I'm by the motorhome, and another one of the concerns brought by my sister, who's standing right over here, was that the awning, it goes, and it's a manual awning, that it goes out too far and it drops too much as it's going out. And as we're looking at it and looked at the factory specs from Dometic, this is a Dometic awning. It is. And, Jose here, we're putting him to work today. And he went and found all my Allen wrenches, and there's an adjustment screw that we're just going to kind of do this as to see what we can do to make that adjustment happen. So I'm going to let you get started there, and I'm going to try and move the camera in a little closer up there. And if you point at the middle screw, yep, right where the Allen wrench is going, that is apparently the adjustment for the pitch. And that's what we're wanting to do, is we're wanting to raise the pitch. Per factory specs, that was supposed to be, it's supposed to be at 5 degrees. Is it not moving?
Yeah, I'm going to go get a ratchet.
Okay, so it's tight.
Yep.
Okay. And so, I think if I go back, take the camera back, and I'll just kind of slide back here a little bit. If you can tell, and we're only out about, what, 2 feet? And as you see, the pitch is more than 5 degrees. And that's what we're trying to accomplish. Now, this is a manual awning. This is, I don't know what the model number is of this awning. You still have the papers are still sitting here?
Yeah, they're on the counter.
Oh, I'm not gonna worry about that. But this is one awning that, you know, you sit here and you do it this way. And I'm gonna pull it. Yeah, he needs more room. There we go. All right, so he's using a socket ratchet to see if we can adjust it. The other adjustment, according to the manual, is actually up on top, where you adjust the whole case. And that requires all of this being adjusted up. But we're going to start with this one first. I don't think we have any room to adjust the whole case, do we?
No.
So we have to adjust the pitch.
Because these two are holding our inside.
Which is, that's the part the manual says don't take off unless you want to die, kind of thing. So does it move? Does the adjustment thingy move at all?
Yeah, it moved. It's already loose.
Oh, so we'll tighten it so it brings it up. See if it'll go tight to bring it up. What? Okay, lift with your shoulder. The actual end, I saw it moving. So when you lift that up and tighten it, it's supposed to bring the pitch up. I think it's...
Oh, I see.
So yeah, if you lift with your left shoulder as you're tight, yeah, right there. It'll make it easier to tighten.
That's how it goes.
That's all it goes. So that's the factory setting. Now let's check the other side. Interesting. Didn't move much, but
This is tight too.
yes, according to the instructions, that is the correct one. All right, let's wheel the whole thing out and let's see what its deflection is, the pit. Yeah, it didn't move down anymore. Oh, can't go any further. Up, back out. Got to go back up because we
Ran into the garage.
ran into the eave of the garage.
And you don't like me.
All right, that's good. Now you're. Okay, now try it. Go tight with it now.
Yeah, that's all.
That's it?
Yeah, she's very tight.
Okay, so the pitch angle is right.
Yep.
So, and the other is the box angle, which, let me get up there and look.
Okay.
I don't think we can do anything with the box angle. No, we cannot.
Funny thing is, though, how is it supposed to twist in there when it sits in one way?
Yeah, I don't know. You read the instructions as well as I did.
That's what it said. I'm like, how are you supposed
So, yeah, the box angle, it does tilt down, but there's nothing we can do because these rubber bushings, that's what pushes it away from
Oh, okay.
these rubber. They're not tall enough. And I see where the Winnebago, it doesn't, the awning rail that's
That's not right.
Oh, so the tilt, it's right here.
It's on top of it, not in the center.
oh well.
We both looked at the wrong one then.
Okay, well, let's try that then.
Okay.
So, who knows?
Well, apparently we were doing the wrong one, but I don't know which is.
It's on the top.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay,
That's
so do we need to go in to where it's the pressure of it's not hanging out here?
well. The funny thing is, how do I get a socket in here? This is all the playroom I have.
Oh, well, hang on. That's why it said a foot. So let me wheel it back in
Okay.
because those arms swing back. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so is it behind the arm or in front of the arm?
It's on top, so it's right in the middle.
Oh.
And it says it's a screw.
Mm-hmm. That's what it is.
Well, how are you going to get a
I
screw?
don't have, well,
You didn't bring
the
the
Allen wrenches that we have are too straight, too long.
Do we have a right angle?
I don't.
See, we're sitting here talking. Wait a minute. Is it Phillips?
No, it's a house.
Oh, shoot.
Allen wrench.
Well, I have Allen wrenches, but are they going to be big enough?
And I work with these actually. Close enough.
Hope it's not metric.
Forward.
And here comes that sun again.
Yeah, that awning just sits right on it.
Well, you should have enough flex in the fabric.
Well, I'm already on the reel,
Oh,
so I can't get it in there. Only if it was a little bit shorter. I don't have specialty tools. It's one of them, I think it's a 42-degree Allen head.
okay.
Tight spaces.
Do you have a
Huh?
Do you have the right Allen wrench?
Well, it needs to
Or is
be.
it a hex?
It's an Allen, but it's got to be short. And see, like
A
these,
little bit shorter than those.
it has to be shorter, about half that size,
Oh,
to make that turn.
okay.
Ain't got one.
So, like, putting one of these
Well-
in there and using your...
Well, okay. There's an idea. Putting one of them will. Oh, but that's still. You can't get it above there.
I can't clear that still.
Oh. Okay.
What? Yeah, because we can't extend the awning out even further anyway.
So rolling.
Not really sure how these work.
Why would they put it on the top?
Yeah, because that. I think that's why they want you to take that piece off
Carefully without hurting yourself.
without hurting yourself. Adjust the angle, and that's the dangerous part because there's where your spring's at.
Okay.
It'd be nice if they at least put something on there. Hey, dumbass, you need a specialty tool.
Yeah. All right, folks, I'm going to wrap this video up. We couldn't solve the problem, but we know how to do it. It's just we didn't do what was right, and we still have to adjust. You pretty much have to take the awning assembly, that piece right here. I don't know if y'all can see that in the video, but you got to take this out because the adjustment screw is right here, not here.
Previous instructions.
And so it goes with the tube. It requires an Allen wrench that has probably that much head on it. So just not something that I'm prepared to do here. Just don't have the tools for it. So they got more complicated in the last 30 years since I've been in the business. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hit subscribe if you hadn't. And if y'all have any other suggestions, you can throw comments down in the comments section. But by then, my sister will probably be on her way back to Wyoming by the time this is released. Have a great day.